the iPhone 17 Pro. If you've ever wondered what Apple's next big leap looks like, buckle up because today, we're diving deep into every rumor, every leak, and every mind-blowing detail that's got the tech world buzzing. By the end of this, you'll be counting down the days to get your hands on one. But let's start from the beginning, shall we? What makes the iPhone 17 Pro not just another phone, but a game changer? First off, picture the evolution of the iPhone. Remember the original iPhone back in 2007? It was revolutionary, a touchscreen marvel that changed how we communicate forever. Fast forward through the years. The iPhone 4 with its stunning Retina display, the iPhone 10 introducing Face ID and that notch, and now, here we are with the iPhone 17 Pro, building on that legacy but pushing boundaries like never before. Leaks suggest Apple has completely rethought the design, and trust me, it's not just cosmetic. This isn't your average upgrade. It's a total reinvention. Let's talk about that design. Whispers from supply chain insiders point to a unibody aluminum chassis that's lighter, tougher, and more premium than ever. Gone are the days of fragile glass-heavy builds. Apple's reportedly dialing back on glass to boost durability without sacrificing that sleek feel. Imagine dropping your phone and not holding your breath. The frame? It might swap titanium for aluminum in some models, making it more accessible while keeping that high-end vibe. And the colors, oh, the colors. The standout is this wild cosmic orange, a vibrant hue that's equal parts bold and sophisticated. It's not just orange. It's cosmic orange, designed to turn heads and stand out in a sea of blacks and silvers. Pair that with other shades like deep blues and silvers, and you've got a phone that looks as good as it performs. But design is just the shell. What's under the hood is where the real magic happens. The heart of the iPhone 17 Pro is the A19 Pro chip, built on a cutting-edge 3nm process. This isn't just faster, it's smarter. Leaks claim it's a beast for multitasking, gaming, and AI-driven tasks. Think about running intensive apps without a hitch, or editing 4K videos on the fly. And to keep it cool under pressure, Apple's introducing vapor chamber cooling. No more throttling during long gaming sessions or heavy use. Your phone stays peak performance no matter what. Imagine playing the latest AAA titles or rendering complex AR experiences without feeling the heat. Literally. Now, let's shift to the display. Rumors are swirling about a brighter screen with an anti-reflective coating that cuts glare like never before. Whether you're outside in blinding sunlight or in a dimly lit room, everything pops with vivid clarity. Its promotion tech evolved, with 120Hz refresh rates for buttery smooth scrolling. And for the Pro models, always-on display is a given, but enhanced for even better battery efficiency. Picture glancing at your notifications without fully waking the phone. Seamless. Effortless. Camera enthusiasts, this is your moment. The iPhone 17 Pro's camera system is set to redefine mobile photography. That rectangular camera array stretching across the back is not just for show. Inside, a triple lens setup with massive upgrades. The telephoto lens jumps to 48MP with an 8x optical zoom, yes, 8x. Zoom in on distant subjects without losing detail. Perfect for concerts, wildlife, or sports. The main sensor, enhanced for low-light magic, capturing shots that rival professional cameras. And the front-facing camera gets a boost too, ideal for those crystal-clear selfies and video calls. But it's not just hardware. Software leaks hint at new AI features like intelligent scene recognition that auto-adjusts for the perfect shot every time. Imagine pointing your camera at a sunset, and the phone knows exactly how to make it epic. Battery life, the eternal quest. Leaks promise the best yet for a Pro model. With a larger battery and that efficient A19 Pro chip, you're looking at all-day power even with heavy use. Throw in reverse wireless charging, and your iPhone becomes a hub power up your AirPods or Apple Watch on the go. No more hunting for outlets during a busy day. And speaking of efficiency, 12 gigabytes of RAM means smoother app switching and future-proofing for years to come. Software is where Apple shines, and iOS on the iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to be packed with innovations. Deeper AI integration, perhaps building on Apple Intelligence with features like real-time translation in conversations or predictive text that's scarily accurate. Security gets a bump too, with under-display Face ID on the horizon. Wait, that's for the 18, but leaks suggest the 17 Pro